guys, welcome back to the channel. This is not a video of any kind of importance. It's basically a chit chat and the opening of my Jeffree Star mystery box, and then a couple of things that I picked up at TJMAXX. I just thought I would put an extra video out there. And since I had been ill, I've been behind on my Christmas cards. So I wanted to let the people know that had sent me Christmas cards that I had received them and thanked them. So this first one is from Gus. She does have a channel. I'm sure that most of y'all are subscribed to her. This is a beautiful card. It's got the glitter specks and the little deer in it. I really did like it. So thank you, Jess. I do appreciate that. The next one is from Angela. This is from Beauty by Angela. I have talked about her on my channel quite a few times. I just won her last giveaway. I won her scarf giveaway. I am fixing to do a collab with her for her birthday. Hint, hint, her birthday is January 6th. So please do go by and tell her happy birthday. But I did receive your card, Angela, so thank you very much. The next one I got was from Tracy, aka She's Crafty. She does have a channel. She did send me 2 business cards. She does love the name of my town. I do live in Flippin, Arkansas. I loved the name of my town when I first moved here also. I am going to put your business cards up around town. I wish you'd have sent me more than 2, but 2 will do. So I can't wait to broadcast your name out there for you. I love your videos. I do appreciate your Christmas cards, so thank you very much, Tracy. The next one I have is from Mindy Petrie. She does have a channel also. She is fairly new. I do like her little Christmas card. It does have the glitter outline on the hat, the ball, the gloves. I just love Christmas cards. They're so pretty. The next one I have is from Speed Angel 2873. I know her on Instagram. I do believe this was a handmade card. It is very cute. And I will be keeping all of my cards. Hopefully we can do this again next year. The next one I got was from Gina. This is by Gina in a Bottle. She does have her channel. I'm sure that most of y'all have her. If you do not, do go over and join her. She has amazing lives on Saturdays, and she's an altogether great person. I love Gina to death. So Gina, thank you. I loved the card. It was super cute. Love seeing Santa's crack. And then the last one that I have received is from Mandy Miller. And it is just beautiful too. I like the old time hat and scarves. Mandy does have a channel. She is Mandy's Beauties. I did put her on my Instagram to go over and give her more support. So if you don't follow her, do go over and check her out. I think she's amazing. I will put a little picture right here. I will try to put pictures of everybody, or at least the names of their channels down here, so that y'all can go check out those people if you don't have them. Mandy is amazing. I've been watching her since I believe she started. So do go over and check her out. Anyway, that was my Christmas cards that I had been behind on. So ladies, I do appreciate it. It gives you a good feeling when you go to the post office or your mailbox and there's Christmas cards in there. Or at least it does me. I'm all about Christmas, so I love getting Christmas cards. It just means that for a split second, somebody's thinking about you. Alright, so as most of y'all know, I ordered 3 of the Jeffree Star mini boxes. I ordered 1 for me, 1 for my mother, and then 1 for my daughter. This is not a sponsored video, but I will tell you right now that the price I paid for these was $0. It should have been almost $65, but everybody knows with the sticker that he put in the boxes, people were very unhappy, and he refunded millions of dollars to the people that ordered the mini boxes. It did come with a card of the conspiracy theory launch. I now have that one and the other one, so I'm perfectly excited for that. Now these stickers will be going to El Niggs. They were promised to him before my boxes ever even shipped out. This is his Christmas card. It is the last Christmas card I had to send out. So El Niggs, those are on their way to you, and I hope you enjoy them. But I did already unbox this box. I will tell you now that 2 of the 3 were complete dupes, or not dupes, they were doubles. We got the same thing in both boxes. So I will start with those. Me and my mother both got the colors. We got the lip ammunition in the color glazed. Both of us got the same one, which I don't mind. I do, however, mind buying 3 boxes and 2 of them are identical. That really bothers me. But they're not in the same household, so it's this color right here. And this is what it looks like. So it's very chill color. In the summertime, it will be great. And then the next color we got together was Pussy Whipped. It also is a copper goldish color, orangish. To me it looks like a penny, but not so deep color. And there is that color. It is a very pretty color. I think it would make a great eyeliner, which of course you can do with any of Jeffree Star's lip products. So me and Mom got both of those, and of course we got our set of stickers. Samantha got her set of stickers, and then she got the lip ammunition in the color Beauty Pageant. It is a pink color. It too was very sheer. This is what it looks like outside of the box. And when you swatch it, that is what it looks like. It does remind me a lot of can't read nothing. Nope, that's the wrong one. It does remind me a lot of the Candy Freeze, which this is what that looks like. And that is it swatched beside it. They are very, very, very similar. So, just so you know. And then the other color she got was Fully Nude. And she's in love with this color, so that is what it looks like. I am not a nude wearing kind of lipstick person, but I do like the color of this. That is what it looks like. It's a more pinky color in real life. On the camera, it kind of looks brown. Either way, those were our 4 lipsticks, and then our 2 things of stickers. My mom was nice enough to give me hers, so I am sending my stickers to El Niggs. But that was our Jeffree Star mystery box. And then I thought I was feeling good enough to go out with my husband the other day. And while we were out, I wanted to go by TJMAXX. Needless to say, it still put me in bed when I got back the next day, but I did enjoy my trip out. The first thing I bought was from Walmart. This is the, you will see me use this in a video, but it was the L'Oreal 401 Bisque Neutral True Match Super Blendable Correcting Concealer. like I said then, I'm going to tell you now, I want to try the Becca Under Eye Concealer. I don't want to pay the $32 for it. So they say the peach color pulls out the dark circles, so I am still in the process of trying this. I've used it a couple of times, and I do like it so far. The next thing I bought was, all the rest of this is at TJMAXX, and it's only a few things. I just thought I would show y'all. I love TJMAXX hauls, so I brought the cotton pad organizer from Precise Beauty, and I paid $3.99 for this. Now, this is a great thing. Your cotton rounds go inside of it. You can refill it. I have dogs, and I'm not always asleep when everybody else is. So, getting into a cotton round plastic bag in the middle of the night and having dogs with your beauty room in your bedroom at the moment, any sound like that, your dogs think you have treats. And they come and they wake your husband up and they step on him and they step on each other. So anything that would help me keep away from that noisy bag is fabulous. And for less than $4, this is great. I love this. I think this was almost my favorite thing I bought there. So I was very happy to find it. Very happy to have it. Dogs can now just stay asleep. The next thing I found was the Too Faced Tutti Frutti Do You Full Coverage Fresh Glow Foundation infused with juicy watermelon and fresh cucumber. I got mine in the color Warm Sand for winter. Obviously, I can't wear it right now. But I've been wanting to try this, and I got it for $10.99. So I thought it was great. The smell of it is amazing. I can't wait to use it. So a foundation. The next thing I found was the Too Faced Love Light Highlighter. This is very pretty. And I paid $12 for it. I know that is less than what it is worth. And it is an older product, but I don't own it. I do now. This one is the color You Light Up My Life. It does have a small mirror, and then that is the highlighter itself. It is so pretty. I almost don't want to use it. I will, but I almost don't want to. And I didn't have one, and I love Too Faced products. I love the packaging. I'm a sucker for their packaging, so I was happy to have that. The next thing I found was from Laura Geller. This is the Delectables eyeshadow palette. Delicious shades of nude. This is her baked eyeshadows. It does come with a small brush and a mirror. Those are those colors. I think it's just such a pretty palette. And I don't have any Laura Geller palettes. I think I have one blush from her that I received in a Boxycharm. So when I seen this palette and it hadn't been touched, it totally had to come home with me. And I'm happy to have it. I love baked eyeshadows. And I paid $10.99 for it. I'm sorry, I paid $9.99 for it. So I didn't think I did too bad. Then the next and last thing I purchased was the Natural Lust palette from Too Faced. I know this is a relatively older, newer palette, and I paid $27 for it. This is what that palette looks like. It is absolutely stunning. I love it. I remember watching Southern Mom when it first was released, and her going over it and just oohed and awed and licked my phone. So I'm super happy to have it in my collection now. It does have a mirror, and then that is what that palette looks like. And yes, I have touched it. It was not swatched. It was not anything. So I was super ecstatic to see it there and get it for myself. My husband actually picked it up for me. I said I wanted it. I wasn't going to pay $29.99, which is what was originally on there. The box was a little beat up, and my husband, knowing that I want this palette, went and talked to somebody, and we got another $3 off of it. So at $27, and him putting in that little extra for me, I'm super happy for it to be in my collection now. So that's what's been going on with me. My mystery box I was happy with. I wish I would have got the bigger ones that I had, but my order did not go through. But it didn't happen. There's always next time. I will be doing another video on the Calm by Wellness, the CBD that I did a while back, almost a month and a half ago. Although this time we are trying out the gummy form. So there will be a video for that. I just got this in yesterday. And I'm going to start my 10-day trial test out on it. But that is my video. Like I said, I just wanted to do a little chit chat, catch up, Jeffree Star mystery box, the TJMAXX and what I found, and my Christmas cards. So I do appreciate you stopping by and taking the time to watch my video. I do apologize for being sick, but YouTube doesn't stop, and neither can I. So here we are, sick and all. I am fever-free. So that is a plus. That has been going on for 24 hours. So keep your fingers crossed that it doesn't come back. And I appreciate it. Please do rate the video. Either like it or give it a dislike. Either way, it does help the channel, and we are growing every day. I truly, truly, truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. And until next time, y'all stay beautiful. Bye, guys.